Imagine a world where AI agents autonomously handle tasks. This is not a distant future but a possibility for 2026. These AI agents could replace traditional apps, managing our schedules and optimizing workflows seamlessly. Instead of multiple apps, a single AI could understand your needs and act proactively. Consider healthcare where AI agents make appointments, manage records, and even provide diagnostic insights. In logistics, AI can autonomously manage supply chains, optimizing routes and resources efficiently. The education sector can see AI agents personalizing learning experiences for students of all ages. Customer service might transform drastically, with AI providing round-the-clock support, enhancing user satisfaction. With such rapid change, data security and privacy become paramount, requiring robust frameworks. Ethical considerations also emerge, such as ensuring AI decisions are unbiased and fair. Collaboration between humans and AI agents might lead to increased creativity and innovation in the workplace. Human roles could shift towards oversight and strategic tasks, relieving from mundane activities. While AI takes on repetitive tasks, humans might focus on emotional intelligence-driven roles. New industries and job roles could emerge, centered around AI development and maintenance. Education systems may need to adapt, teaching students AI literacy and its applications. AI agents could help reduce resource consumption, leading to an eco-friendlier management approach. Challenges remain, like maintaining human oversight to ensure AI remains a tool, not the decision-maker. By 2026, AI's role may expand into areas we haven't fully imagined yet, opening new possibilities. However, balancing innovation and ethics will be key to ensuring beneficial societal shifts. Companies may need to pivot rapidly, integrating AI agents to remain competitive in dynamic markets. Personal lives could also evolve, with AI managing daily routines and enhancing personal productivity. The opportunity to empower differently abled individuals with AI support creates a more inclusive future. Whether man or machine, coexistence will be the cornerstone of future success and evolution in work. Ultimately, the goal is not just efficiency, but fostering a future rich with human potential and innovation. As 2026 approaches, we stand at the precipice of a new era, where AI reshapes the world of work.